Welcome to my channel, where we explore the beauty and wonder of God's creation. Have you ever seen an elephant up close? These majestic creatures are truly amazing, and they have much to teach us about God's love and His amazing creation. Elephants are known for their intelligence, their incredible memories, and their close-knit family bonds. In fact, elephants are one of the few animals that have been observed mourning their dead. This powerful display of emotion reminds us of the importance of family and community in our own lives. Did you know that elephants are also known for their playful nature? Watching them splash and play in water is a joyous sight, and it's a reminder that God created us to enjoy life and find joy in His creation. As we observe these gentle giants in their natural habitat, we can see God's handiwork all around us. From the intricate details of their trunks and tusks, to the beautiful landscapes they call home, it's clear that God has a deep love for all of His creatures. These gentle giants remind us of His love and the importance of community and family bonds. In Ecclesiastes 4 verses 9 to 12, we are reminded that two are better than one because they have a good return for their labor, and when one falls down, the other can help them up. Elephants too need each other for support and strength, just as we need a community of believers on our journey of faith. Sadly, elephants are also one of the most endangered species in the world, and many of them are at risk of losing their homes and their lives. As Christians, it's our responsibility to care for God's creation and to protect these magnificent animals from harm. Just as elephants need each other for support and strength, we too need a community of believers to help us on our journey of faith. Together, we can make a difference in the world and show God's love to all of His creatures. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the amazing world of elephants. I hope you've been inspired to see God's love and beauty in a new way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the beauty and wonder of God's creation. Comment below and let me know which animal you would like me to discuss. Thanks for watching.